So best practices to avoid wrongful term claims under California law, definitely understanding the law, staying current with it, um, developing a company culture of documentation. When I get a lawsuit or a demand letter and I ask for the personnel file and it's a couple of pages thick, I know we're in trouble. But if we get, a personnel file with all of the attendance issues that the employee had, their performance issues are documented, and it sets up this narrative like the employee wasn't working that well before, and they kind of saw the writing on the wall, and that's why they left. That's a lot different type of case. And especially when we send that personnel file with all that documentation to the plaintiff's lawyer, they start getting a different sense on the case and who their client might be as well. And again, communicate the goals and performance expectations to employees routinely, reviews performance issues, going through the sexual harassment policy, the meal and rest break policy every now and then during a staff meeting. Things like that can help a lot. And documenting that, obviously, so you could show like, hey, we went through this, and reminded people about it. Now, if there's a risky termination or somebody's leaving and they're threatening to file a lawsuit or have a demand out there, consider a severance agreement, where the departing employee, you can do an agreement and you have to give them the legal term is consideration, some benefit that you don't owe them. So usually it's in terms of payment, but it could be pretty nominal type of payment for full release in exchange for them not suing or alleging any claims. So that's one way. If you can get in front of any kind of potential disputes, something to keep in mind, and can really keep your litigation costs down too.